Now, I don't know how many of you make your own salad dressing, but this I've been hooked on for years now. I haven't eaten any salad dressing but this. It's a Thai peanut sauce. I got off, I think it was Food and Wine magazine off the internet. But I double up this recipe because I make it in this processor, and I can double it up. Then I store it in a big old freaking glass thing with a lid on it. But there's the ingredients. I use 1.5 cups of peanut butter, a cup unseasoned rice vinegar, which you can substitute with any other vinegar. I don't know. I've never done balsamic. Balsamic kind of throw the flavor off, I think. It'd be 6 tablespoons of sugar. You can adjust that. It'd be 12 tablespoons of soy sauce, but I only use 10. You got sometimes 11. The water, they say 1/4 cup, but if you set this in the refrigerator, it thickens up. It's like it's almost like a cheese when it sits in the refrigerator. So you can throw in maybe 1/2 cup, 3/4 of a cup to thin it out, so you can pour it over. You can pour it over. It's a peanut sauce, so basically this was made for like angel hair pasta, I believe. I think is where I got this from. But I use it on salad. I use it on everything. And then sesame oil. I use 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. That is I tell you, if you have never used sesame oil and you've never tasted it, you're missing out on a delicious oil. And the crushed red pepper. I've dried cayennes. I put fresh cayennes in there before. So you can change that up. You don't have to use bottled peppers. I grow my own ginger, but it doesn't grow fast enough to make enough of this. But today I'm making it. I got some ginger I just pulled off my plant like a week ago. But 2-inch piece of ginger, I'll tell you what, I put a big chunk of ginger in when I do it. So I have a 4-piece, and it's probably, I make them that big around, and yeah, I like to throw the ginger in there. And then 1 large clove of garlic, and I use a large clove of elephant garlic, sometimes 2, depending. But if you have never made your own salad dressing / anything dressing, basically, you can dip bread in this. You make some homemade bread, you dip bread in this. Telling you, it's delicious. So that's I would say, if you want to start out with an easy homemade dressing that's freaking delicious from the start and you don't have to change up nothing, this is the freaking dressing I would start with. Now it is a little hot because of the peppers and the ginger, but it is freaking delicious. I'll tell you. I'm just I've been hooked on this for I don't know how many years now. I can't make anything else. You can put it on anything. You can put it on bread. You can put it on pasta. You can put it on salad. You can use it as a dip for like vegetables. It's freaking delicious.